Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change app icon size for your Android device. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So this method cannot work on all of the devices, but for all of the devices I'll tell you the second method. But the first method is you have to just simply try it. Hope it will work on your device. So you have to just simply do nothing and go to your home screen, and after going to your home screen you have to just simply select or touch long press on anywhere where the app is not visible. So I'm just holding the blank part of the screen. So after just long pressing the home screen, it will pop up this kind of interface. So here you have to just simply select the below right corner of settings. So after tapping on setting, it will provide you such kind of interface. So here you will be able to see the lots of icon from your side, of lots of option from your side, but here it is displaying as home screen layout. From your side it can be displayed as home screen grid or any app screen grid. So you have to just simply select any of the option. So I'm just selecting this. So after that, it has just providing us two options. From your side it might be lots of options, so you have to just simply increase it. So I'm just increasing it to, it's by default 4x6, so you have to simply convert to 5x6. So I'm just converting it to 5x6, and in this way you guys can see our app icon size is decreasing. So if you want to increase the home screen size, then we have to just simply decrease the layout. So in this way, by decreasing the layout, our icons will be increased. So I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.